This is Becky from AutoMods, and I'm going to walk you through the stealth radar laser defense system we installed on this BMW E39 M5 that came to us in Florida all the way from California. We went with Unidin's R9 radar system paired with AL Priority's laser jammers and seamlessly integrated them into the vehicle to detect radar and jam law enforcement laser guns, giving you the ultimate edge against speed detection. Here are a few of the 20-plus laser guns we used during pre-testing to optimize jammer placement. Each gun helps us to ensure the system can defeat both fixed and variable pulse rate laser guns used by law enforcement. We 3D scanned behind the front bumper and both sides of the bumper itself to digitally reference key surfaces for CAD designing the laser jammer housings and the radar mount, ensuring a precise fit and proper function. The laser jammer mounts were 3D printed for an exact fit, while the lenses were laser cut, then hand sanded and polished for a flawless finish, and inserted into the bumper trim panels for a stealth appearance. The front radar antenna mount was CAD designed and 3D printed to precisely fit the vehicle, securing in place using factory bolts. The radar antenna itself fastens directly to the bracket, allowing for easy serviceability while delivering timely and reliable alerts of any radar threats ahead. 3D scans at the rear of the vehicle were used to CAD design laser jammer housings and a radar mount. The jammers were installed in the rear bumper plastic trim panels like the front. The jammer mounts were 3D printed and finished with a lens for an OEM appearance. The result is a clean, stealth installation, making it hard to believe that there are 4 laser jammers hidden in the rear bumper. The rear radar antenna is mounted behind the bumper using a CAD-designed 3D printed bracket secured to the vehicle with double-sided tape. It delivers real-time alerts for radar threats approaching from behind. The dual GPS antennas were mounted on a 3D printed bracket that is located underneath the rear deck panel, secured in place using double-sided tape. The Unidin display and AL Priority visual alert were seamlessly integrated into the overhead panel using a CAD-designed 3D printed part that follows the factory lines for a clean OEM appearance. Here you can see the fabrication process that brought it all together, with 0 modifications made to the overhead panel, allowing it to easily be returned to stock. The Unidin and AL Priority controllers were CAD designed and combined into a single panel. The AL Priority controller was simplified into 2 buttons that mimic the design of the Unidin buttons. The panel was 3D printed and the buttons were resin printed and laser etched. The dual 3D printed speaker mount is comprised of 2 parts. One part attaches directly to the AL Priority speaker, which then slides onto the other part and is secured in place with a screw. The speaker mount attaches under the dash with double-sided tape. The main components were mounted to a bracket located under the dash to factory mounting points. The wires were shortened to length, wrapped in factory matching tape, and labeled for serviceability. After every install, we thoroughly test the system with law enforcement laser guns to ensure it is working properly. In these clips, you'll see the gun fail to obtain a speed until the jammers turn off. The system lets you select how long the laser jammers stay active, giving you time to slow down before shutting off. In these clips, we tested with a Dragon Eye laser gun with ECCM on, making it one of the hardest guns to jam, along with other fixed pulse rate guns. None were able to get a speed reading, proving how effective the system is when properly installed. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, please give us a phone call or send an email. This is Becky from AutoMods in Sarasota, Florida. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media.